All right, we have spoken so much about DPDP. Now, what do we speak about next? Hey, hi Dolly.
Hi Nara.
How are you?
How are you? So I was just thinking about that, and you know what? I'm thinking it is the HR function in the organization that holds the maximum amount of data, right? We are talking about biometrics, we are talking about employment records, we are talking about medical records,
Absolutely.
family contacts. Now you tell me about that.
So every organization collects so much of data, at least from an employee front. And believe it or not, whether you collect customer data or not, you would definitely collect employee data because you need to pay them salary. You need their PAN. You might require your Aadhaar card because you need to link it with Provident Fund records and details. So you're collecting a lot of information. But you know what is a very interesting point? The law says if you're collecting for the purposes of employment, you don't require a separate consent. But that would mean only for your bank account, your PAN and Aadhaar and other things. But what if a photo of an employee is displayed on your company website?
Yeah, that's
Right?
where the marketing comes in, right?
That is where it comes into. So please bear in mind, you need to think where are the use cases of you collecting employee data and you posting it online or for any other purposes which are not directly related to employment.
And what about the biometrics and monitoring?
That's a big risk. Regulators across the globe have said if you are collecting biometric data, it could be even for a simple attendance, right? Sometimes you do a face scan, you do a fingerprint, you do a geotagging. It should be safe and secure, and the purpose has to be clearly mentioned and consent has to be obtained.
Okay, so I think the next action for the organizations is to sit with their HR and map the employee's life cycle, whether it is onboarding, employment, or exit. In the next episode, we are going to dive deeper in this. Until then, stay tuned on DPDP Decoded.